I get asked a lot, how do I re-verify my service area business, specifically the video that I shoot for it? So I'm going to answer that question here as best I can today. And, reach out if you have any questions, reach out if you have something else that's worked for you, and we'll just go through it. So what you want to do is make a video with no audio. Google does not want audio in the videos for whatever reason, and so you want to not have audio in your video. You're basically going to have your truck parked outside. So we're assuming in this case it's a service area business. You don't want your address shown, so you probably don't have signage in front of your house typically. So you're going to park your truck, your branded truck preferably. If you don't have branding on your truck, just get like some sort of, even at worst case scenario, just print out something and tape it to the side of the truck. You're then going to take your keys. You're going to show that you've got keys. You're going to show that the truck is locked. You're then going to take your keys and unlock it. You're going to have your business documentation on the driver's seat of the truck. And you're then going to, show that the business name, the address match up with the business name and the address shown on the ownership documentation for the truck. You're then going to have to put some sort of signage out front of your house. This could just be a yard sign. It could just be a yard sign that you put out. So you're going to show that. You could tape it above your door, whatever. You just want to show that you own this area and you're there, because Google's trying to cut down on spam and cut down on the people who are just putting up a million Google business profiles to leverage the system. So you're going to do that. You're going to show that you have signage. Then you're going to have a locked door. So you're going to lock the front door or lock whatever door you access your house with, and you're going to then show the keys, show yourself unlocking it, show yourself showing that it's locked, and then you're unlocking it. Then you're going to go to whatever part of the house that you do your work in and have some sort of, again, like even if it's a yard sign or something, just propped up on your desk, put it somewhere so it, on the wall. Then on the desk, you're going to have the business documents. And those documents are going to have the name of the business and the name of the business as it is on the Google business profile and the address that you're at. Now, if you don't have the name and address matching, you need to get the name and address matching. This is just kind of par for the course. And like, if you don't have this, you shouldn't even be trying to do this yet. Make sure your business documentation is updated with the name and address to match. Make sure the state registrar or your local government, directory for businesses is updated with that exact name and address for your business, because Google will be checking it and it'll automatically disqualify you, or very, very likely disqualify you if that doesn't match. And then you're just going to have those on your desk, show the video, show the branding in your office, show the documents on your desk, and you're going to end the video and then submit it through the app. So typically, most people are doing this through the app. You're going to go into the app, you're going to click, where it's asking you to verify, you're going to click the video, and then you're going to go through those steps that I just mentioned there. So ultimately, to keep in mind is, 1, don't have any audio. 2, make it obvious that you have access to your truck, keys, etc., to your locked truck, keys, etc., to your house, signage on your truck, signage out front of your house, signage in your office and your home, and you should be good. The other thing to help all of this is have your address, or even if it's not your exact street address, have your address on your website, your Facebook page, your LinkedIn, etc. Have your phone number on your website, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Have your business name on your website, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, etc. All of those things matching. You can even do citations from a service called Local Citation Services. That will help as well. But make sure all of those things match, because Google is a ones and zeros. Like computers operate in binary. So it's ones and zeros, and they're looking at, does the name, address, and phone number match all across the internet? And that can help you sometimes not even have to re-verify with a video. But in the case that you do have to do a video, it will help support that. To have all of those things lined up. So this is the case if you're moving, if you're trying to do a new Google business profile, if you are, got suspended for whatever reason. All of these things can lead to you having to do a video. And these are things that I have found, and other agency owners and other people doing this sort of stuff have found to massively increase your chances of success. All right, hope this helps. Talk soon.